I hope you guys are doing well. I wholeheartedly welcome you all in the shopping world of Shopple. The Shopple. Are you ready to land on the amazing shopping destination? If yes, then let's explore the website. Guys, I wanted to tell you that this is not my website. I am not the owner of the site. I am just here to review the site and guide you people with the authentic and unbiased Shopple review. So stay tuned with us and surely the review will answer you the site is legit or a scam. So guys, let's start with my review section. As you can see, the home page is quite beautiful and it has all the feature rich product exhibition on the home page. The products are intelligent electric skateboard, kids electric supercar, vintage drop light, Phantom RC Fit Fighter, then Instaflex trainer, and so many products are available as you can see. So guys, after the home page, we'll straight away see what else the website has for you. So we're going to start with the terms of service section. In terms of service, you're going to have basically the overview of the website. The website says that it is operated by the Shopple. Throughout the site, the terms we ask and are refer to the Shopple. By visiting the website, you're going to get all the additional terms and condition policies required for you as a customer before buying your purchase. You can go through all the sections available on the screen as you can see, and then you can make your decision wisely. After this, guys, we're going to see the another section that is of shipping policy. Guys, shipping policy is very important as we wanted to know when our product going to be delivered, and so the details are as above. To return your product, you should mail your product to 28 Chateau 41700 France. If you are having any problem related to shipping costs for returning any item, you can easily talk to them, chat to them on the contact form available. Guys, there is a contact us section. In this section, you have to write your name, your genuine email ID, your phone number and your message, and then send. The customer executive will talk to you in 24 to 48 hours. The refund policy is also given. We'll straight away go to first privacy policy. The privacy policy states that the personal information they collect, they won't transfer your information anywhere. The information is safe and secure in their website. You can see all the necessary details are available. You can check it out. There are another information is giving, that is the refund policy. Guys, refund is very important. If you didn't like the product, you can easily return the product within 30 days. In 30 days, your product will be get exchanged. Additional non-refundable items are gift cards, downloadable software products, some health and personal care items which won't get refund at all. You can see. Guys, afterwards, we'll straight away go to the homepage again. And guys, as per my opinion, the product seems to be a scam because the site does not have any contact information, no SSL encryption, and no social media presence. Means the site information you won't get on Google or anywhere else because the site is not authentic that much. But still, guys, the legitimacy depends upon your comments. Do comment and help thousands of shoppers like you. Do share your experience, and if you like the information, please press the like button, and if you want to acquire more information like this, subscribe our channel. Guys, thank you so much for your precious time. Have a great day ahead. And before signing off, this is a suggestion for you guys that if you wanted to do online shopping, as online shopping is trending and very important these days, choose the website wisely and please go through our reviews so that our reviews help you out in choosing the best for you.